Whoa, 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 welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, guys, so Trump is going back and forth right now with the tariffs. I don't know what's going to happen Monday. I'm not even going to bother with predictions. So many people predicting, oh, the bottom is in, the bottom is not in. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to stick to my strategy and just buy under that 200 weighted moving average, under that purple line. So just keep it simple, guys. No reason to panic. Let me see if I can pull it up for you guys. This is going to be one hell of a next 4 years are going to be incredible. If you take advantage of the current administration and their back and forth. Because the pattern is they announce something and then they take it back. Then they announce something else. Then we take it back. And then we end up pumping anyways. A lot of predictions from big influencers on Twitter and on YouTube predicting that Monday is just going to be a big green day. And that makes me cautious, makes me think, you know what, maybe it's going to be a big red day, right? So I'm positioned for upside. The market, what does it always do? It always goes higher. All you got to do is pull up the S&P 500, the SPY. Let me go to the profile here. Oh, wait, no, that's not the right one. Okay, so here's the top. Here we dumped, and if we don't break out of this downtrend, the market's just going to continue lower. People are predicting upside. I think futures open in a bit, so we'll see how futures are going to react. We also have Netflix earnings coming up if anyone wants to gamble, but let me see if I can find chips to be assessed in National Security Tariff Probe. Let's see if I can find anything else. No pause for tariffs on Friday. Let me see. Okay, there we go. Nobody's getting off the hook, quote unquote, for the unfair trade balances. There was no tariff exception announced on Friday. Okay, the fake news knows this but refused to report it. We are taking a look at semiconductors and the whole electronic supply chain in the upcoming national security tariffs investigations. Okay, so I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. The back and forth, the reporting has been back and forth, so I think we're going to get uncertainty, and people don't like uncertainty, so we're either going to go sideways and wait to see what Trump's going to do next, or we're just going to go down. If we get a big green day, I would be absolutely shocked. Absolutely shocked if that happens. Either way, regardless of what he does, the pain is going to be short-lived over the long term. You look at the yearly chart on SPY. What do you see, guys? What do you see? You guys see what I'm seeing? Like I'm shaking my head. I'm dancing right now. I didn't know I could dance. Didn't know I could make my avatar dance. Woo! Ooh! Look at me. I'm like going crazy. But at the end of the day, if you squint your eyes and look up there, what do you see? What do you see? You see a stock, ETF. I shouldn't say a stock. That just continues to go higher over the long term. Any red year, or in this case 3 red years, any red year, any red year has been nothing more than opportunity for the next green candle. Red followed by green candle. Red followed by green candle. Red followed by green candle. This was back in 2000, 2001, damn, I hope we don't have 3 years of red. That would suck. I hope we don't get that. That's 2000 and 2001 and 2002. We just had 3 red years. Here, 1 red candle in 1994. Lots of green. So maybe this year's going to suck, but we know that ultimately we're going to go back to all-time highs and beyond. At this point, it's just about positioning yourself nice and cheap. You got to respect the bear market. You got to respect sellers pushing it down. And I think Warren Buffett put it great. He put it in better words than I could. You want to get excited when stocks get real cheap. You like the company so much, why wouldn't you get excited about the opportunity to get it even cheaper? So here's what I'm focused on, and I think I've mentioned this before. Nothing has changed. Mara stock, I'm focused on that. My price target is 20. So just start accumulating it. It's still under the purple line very clearly and obviously. So just accumulate it, hold for 20 bucks. Ride stock, same thing. It's nice and cheap under the purple line. Accumulate it and sell it for, I think my price target for that one is $12. Soundhound, Friday. I bought on Friday. Same thing. I'm just going to hold for 12 bucks. Nice 50%. About 50%. We're aiming for 50 to 100%. This is why I've been telling people, like, go get a job. Those millennials that are still living with their parents who want to get out of their situation, this is your opportunity. Go get 3 jobs. Every dollar that you put here, you're going to double, triple, quadruple it depending on the stock you buy. The worst thing you can do is just sit back and do nothing and just I'm just gonna sit on this $500 and hope it turns into $1 million. That's not how this works. You'd have to get a 10,000 million% for 500 to turn into $1 million. I'm exaggerating, but yeah, Mara, Riot, pretty much Bitcoin exposure is what I'm going for. Soundhound, Tech, AI, and of course my favorite, Nvidia. I have not loaded Nvidia big. I am waiting for $75. We'll see if it does come down there. If it doesn't, oh well. I'm already positioned in other stocks anyways, so I stand to make a good 50K plus this year on just, I mean, why not, right? If this is how much I'm going to make in a bear market recovery, in a bull run, I'm going to make even more. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful year. Beautiful year. You know, it's a beautiful order. You know, what was it? Wonderful order. Beautiful year. Wonderful year. Gold, some people were asking me about gold. I'm like, gold, you guys know the strategy, right? If stock price under purple line, it's a buy. Gold is way extended above that purple line. And we saw what happened with Palantir. What happened when Palantir was way extended above that purple line? All the way at 125. What happened, guys? What happened? What happened? Oof. Now, the smart ones bought it at a discount. Right at that purple line. Wow, look, it's almost like it works. Holy crap. And now those people are going to make hella money in the bull market when it recovers. Look at that, 77% potential. This is the easiest strategy I'll ever get. And I give it away for free, but people don't have patience and discipline to wait for months to make the 50 to 100% or more. Again, depends entirely on the stock that you buy. Another one I wanted to talk about is, no, not Serve. What's the other one? RR. Rich Tech Robotics here. Don't sleep on this one. This one has been holding very well despite everything else tanking. I believe in the bull run, this one's going to skyrocket back to $5 and beyond. Again, the future is now. Robotics, AI, all that is what you should be focused on. Am I going to buy Rich Tech Robotics? Maybe. We'll see. I like Soundhound more because it's already a little more proven with its growing revenues. What else? I think there's one more. Oh, on Monday, keep an eye on Bull. Webull IPO happened. Fresh on the markets, I guess. I don't know what happened here, but look at this. Huge volatility, up over 100%. There might be a lot of people piling onto this one on Monday, so keep an eye on it in pre-market. And if you want to take the risk, go ahead and jump in and have some fun. It's going to be very volatile. Look at this. This is insane volatility. From 9 to 16. Like, look at that. That is crazy. Let's look at that 3-minute time frame. It dropped like a hotcake. Yeah, this is going to be volatile. So this one's getting a lot of talk on Twitter. So keep an eye on this one if you want to day trade. This is, you like volatility and potentially make a lot of money. People are saying it's going to go to 20, 30, 50, 60, 100. Well, it's already at 20. 100, 200, whatever. Take advantage of the masses piling on and chasing it. But please have a stop loss. Don't just like throw money and hope. You might just blow up. That's it, because this is volatile. Like, it can drop like 50% fast. I think that's it. I don't think I have anything else to talk about. For now, it's just It's just a matter of positioning yourself appropriately. Color, like a lot of these stocks, just buy them. Just start buying. You're getting massive discounts. I'm still gonna be greedy though. I'm gonna wait for $1 and under. If Trump's gonna keep going back and forth, cool. Give it to me cheaper though. I don't want it at 122 anymore. I want it under $1. Let me see. Is there anything else I wanted to touch on? There might be something. I feel like I'm missing something. I was gonna talk about something. What was it? I don't remember. All right, guys. That's it for the video. A little bit longer than I expected. Is there something? I feel like I'm missing something. Let me go to my Discord and make sure I'm not crazy. Oh yeah, a lot of people are making predictions right now in the Discord. Oh, we're going to go up, we're going to go down. Nobody knows. Why even try to make predictions? Position yourself appropriately and you will be rewarded longer term. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out. I swear I had something to say, and I don't remember. Oh, penny stocks. A lot of penny stocks are being talked about. Penny stocks are apparently going to get a huge bull run, and we're going to get a repeat of 2021 where penny stocks just skyrocketed. Kaboom! Everything just started pumping. I don't know if that's going to be the case. We'll see. Pay attention to the ones that talk about how we're going to get a massive bull run, and if they're wrong tomorrow, feel free to call them out. My prediction is I will make no prediction. Screw it. I don't know what's going to happen, guys. All I know is stock under purple line, I buy. And then when it goes above purple line, I sell. So it's the suckers that like to buy expensive. That's it. That's it. That's all there is to it. Let me squint. Oh, my God. Oh.